You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome back. Here at Vocal Technologist, we know things move fast in tech, sometimes maybe too fast.
Definitely. It's exhilarating, but keeping up, discerning what really matters, that's the challenge.
Exactly. So today, we're giving you that shortcut. We're looking at some key insights, trends, maybe a few warnings drawn from what we've been tracking.
The idea is to help you connect the dots, see the bigger picture beyond just the headlines.
Okay, let's jump right in. The developer landscape, it's shifting. The 2025 Stack Overflow Developer Survey is out.
Huge survey, right? Tens of thousands of developers.
Over 49,000, yeah, across 177 countries, looking at, over 300 technologies. And the big headline,
AI.
AI, big time. AI agents, LLMs, community tools around them. It feels like maybe this is the moment AI really moves into the standard developer toolkit.
I think that's spot on. What's fascinating here isn't just that AI is mentioned, but how central it's becoming. It's not a niche interest anymore. It signals a pretty significant shift in what skills are needed, what developers are learning, what companies are prioritizing. For you, it means asking, are we ready for this?
Right. Are you investing in AI literacy now or scrambling later? Good point.
It's definitely a strategic question now.
So more powerful tools, more AI integration, which naturally leads us to security. Because more power often means, new ways for things to go wrong.
Always the trade-off.
Let's talk about this AWS Agent Core vulnerability. It seems pretty critical. We saw that code interpreters in Bedrock meant to boost AI agents can actually be exploited.
Yeah, for privilege escalation. Basically, someone could potentially invoke these interpreters directly to perform control plane actions.
And grab execution roles they shouldn't have. Yikes.
The problem seems amplified because apparently AWS doesn't have strong enough resource policies specifically within Bedrock Agent Core right now.
Woof! That really underscores the challenge, doesn't it? Building these incredibly powerful AI tools.
But needing to ensure they're secure right down to the foundation. It really raises questions about oversight, about policy in this, rapidly evolving AI infrastructure space.
It's a major headache waiting to happen if not addressed. Speaking of headaches, infrastructure pain points.
Yeah.
Anyone listening ever tried building their own container management platform?
Oh boy. Sounds simple, right?
Right. Until you're months in, drowning in YAML, hiring specialist skills, dealing with constant upkeep, it gets complex fast.
The DIY dream can become a maintenance nightmare.
Well, our sources highlighted Portainer as a potential antidote here, a kind of fast-track alternative.
What's the pitch?
Basically, it's ready to run, fully featured, avoids that horrible feature bloat or vendor lock-in you sometimes get, works with your existing stuff like Kubernetes, Helm, Prometheus.
Okay.
And crucially, it has an intuitive UI, so maybe your non-specialist team members can actually use it without needing a PhD in platform engineering.
That addresses a core tension, I think. How do you stay agile, innovate quickly, but also maintain robust, secure infrastructure without the platform team becoming a bottleneck?
Exactly. Tools like Portainer, the idea is they free up teams to focus on the actual product, not just managing the platform endlessly.
Makes sense. Let developers develop, basically.
So amidst all this rapid change, these new tools, these vulnerabilities, what about technologies with real staying power? Let's touch on Java.
Java. The Energizer Bunny of programming languages.
30 years old. Can you believe it? And still dominant. It just keeps evolving, right? Distributed systems, DevOps scale, now even integrating with AI.
And that maintainability, the backwards compatibility, it's legendary.
What's the secret sauce there? Why has it lasted when so many others have faded?
I think Java's endurance really shows the power of adaptability built on a stable core, plus that huge, mature ecosystem. Its contrast to the hot new thing every 6 months.
Stability pays off in the long run.
Especially for large enterprises. That consistency is gold.
Okay, finally, let's look at a very modern problem born directly from this AI explosion we started with, AI scraping.
Right. Bots getting smarter, harder to detect.
Exactly. And now companies like Fastly and Tollbit were mentioned are rolling out tools specifically to detect and manage AI bot traffic. Some are even looking at ways to monetize it.
Interesting. So not just blocking, but potentially charging for access.
Yeah, the idea is to protect the integrity of content online, but also set up fair compensation models. If an AI is learning from your content, maybe you should get paid for that value.
That opens up a whole new economic, and frankly, ethical front.
Yeah.
It connects directly back to AI's capabilities expanding.
How so?
Well, as AI can do more, consume more data, generate more value, we have to figure out the rules around intellectual property, fair use, and value exchange in this new landscape. These tools are trying to provide solutions.
So protecting creators and publishers in an automated world makes sense.
It's essential if we want quality content creation to remain sustainable.
Wow, okay. So we've covered a lot of ground pretty quickly there, from the developer focus, shifting towards AI,
To critical security issues like that AWS vulnerability,
practical infrastructure solutions like
to
Portainer,
the enduring power of adaptable tech like Java.
and these brand new challenges like AI scraping and content monetization.
Quite the whirlwind.
It really is. Thanks for joining us and hopefully helping make sense of some of this rapid change.
Absolutely. And maybe the key takeaway for you listening is this. In a world juggling AI agents, security risks, platform choices, maybe the most vital skill isn't just absorbing information.
What is it then?
It's synthesizing,
Yeah.
connecting these different threads, security development, infrastructure, ethics, and trying to anticipate where the next big challenge or maybe the next big opportunity is going to emerge. That's the real edge.
Spoken Tech for your ears.